Hello friends, welcome to the channel Painting with Marta. I'm going to explain the differences between the hard and the soft pencil. Between the hardest and the softest pencil, there are many intermediate grades of hardness. The hard pencil is used for sketching because it leaves very clear lines and it doesn't stain the paper, but is not useful to draw dark shadows. The soft pencil is useful for drawing dark shadows, but you must use it carefully to avoid dirt in the paper. We can also find different degrees of hardness between the charcoal pencil and the Conte pencil. And that's all. Bye.